All right, here we go. Well, I got the MSD atomic fuel injection throttle body on my 67 El Camino with the 427 in it, and I just want to show you what to expect. I've got roughly about 100 miles on this thing, and the adjustment on it is you have to actually mess around with it to get it to run better. So, anyways, here we go. First, every time I start it up, you hear the fuel pump kind of kick in and start pumping. Then it shuts down. Start it up. Right now it is cold, so let me show you the temperature. 62 degrees. This is the first start in the morning. I just want you to see what it's like in the morning. Once you install this thing, you know, it is a little temperamental at times, but usually it starts right up. I mean, I never actually had any problem starting it up. Again, like I say, this thing is cold, but let's go for a drive. See what you think. Nice sunny day out here in Southern California. RPMs. See the airflow, temperature about 92, fuel pressure 63. I found that this runs a little bit better if you put a fuel regulator in it and set it to about 60 to 65 psi. It's actually idling pretty good. Feel the power. Yeah. This thing responds. This does have a big block in it. The cam lift is about 0.5 540. Duration is probably a little bit high for a EFI. I think it's like, say, 280 to 300. Let's see how it does on a rolling. I'd say not bad. I mean, you snap the throttle and it responds. I'm not complaining at all. I mean, with the carburetor in there, it took a lot longer to warm up, and it was a little bit finicky, always playing with it. But I'm not really having any problems with it. So there it is. You know what, let's take a look under the hood just in case you guys want to see a little bit more. I'm going to pull over here at neighborhood 7-Eleven. You can take a peek under the hood. I went with the basic setup on it. I did do a return on it, just so I wouldn't have to worry about the fuel pump overheating. And as you can see, you can hide most of the electronics in this thing. It's not too bad. I hate to see too much stuff going on under the hood, other than motor. When I hooked up the line to the distributor, I did get a big tail for it, so I can kind of make it look a little cleaner. I put the fuel temp on the side of the block. It seems to get a lot better reading at that point. The O2 sensor is mounted in the header and the collector. For the trigger to start it up, I did put a relay on there. This way it gets direct power as soon as the car starts. It will only get power when it's running. I spliced into the wire that feeds the distributor. But it's on a separate circuit. It's not on the same circuit as the distributor. It says on the installation instructions not to hook it to the distributor. But I figured that was the best source of power while the engine is running. Another thing, this here, the boost on it. I didn't hook up the boost because when you stomp on it, this thing doesn't really go below maybe 58 psi. So I didn't really feel that